Guys, I finally got the rear taillight harness installed. So now I'm checking the lights. It's in reverse, so there's the driver's side, passenger side. Wouldn't you like to have one of those, Turbine? Not that this matters with the rear taillight harness, but that's the reverse light on the dash. So now I'll switch the headlights on. Driver's side, passenger side. We are now turning left. We are now turning right. To stop. It's about a ½ inch of pedal. And we're flashing away. The lights, why not show the fronts? This is low beams. Got high beams on. We are turning left. And we decided to turn right. And we are flashing away. Gotta love it when it's this battery. Look how fast it is.